Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine in your lives. So for today's video, I have brought you another free resource from where you can learn data science for free. Now, if you are a beginner, this video is especially for you. If you want to pursue a career in data science, if you want to learn what is data science and you don't have any knowledge like how to pursue that, then this is the best resource out there. Now, coming to this free resource, it's only for beginners, not for the person who is already into data science. I have learned a lot because in this free resource, you are going to start with the very basics and then going to till intermediate level. So, if you want to understand data science thoroughly, if you want to go in deep, I think you should watch that video that I have created a few months back where I have given you two courses for each, like two courses for data science, two courses for deep learning, and two courses for machine learning. I think that will be the best for you. Now, coming to the beginners, it's really important to choose the right courses when you're starting out in a new field. Like when you're starting out in data science, you should know all the basics. All the basics should be covered. You should be able to practice and implement all the coding into your data set. So it's really important to choose the right resource, and I think this is the best resource out there. Now, coming to the best resource, I think if you're a data science enthusiast, you already know about this resource, which is called Kaggle. Now, Kaggle hosts a lot of coding competitions and hackathons for data science experts, professionals, and data science enthusiasts. It gives you a real world coding problem, and along with that, an insane insane prizes as well. Now, apart from that, you can download data sets from Kaggle, and you can also download projects from there and learn from those projects. Kaggle also has this feature called Kaggle Learn. If you don't know about this, Kaggle Learn is the resource that you need. Now, Kaggle Learn has a lot of courses starting from Python to machine learning. Then we have deep learning, we have feature engineering. There are a lot of courses, but not in the right sequence. We will be quickly switching to my computer screen where I will be showing you the right sequence of for opting them and what do you need to learn first and what do you can leave, or you can just, if you have free time, then you can opt for them too. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you like this video. That will help me a lot. So let's just switch to my computer screen. So welcome to my computer screen, and here we have the courses. I will link this over in the description box below so that you guys can actually access this thing over here. Now, coming to आपको कहाँ से start करना है courses को, okay, like in which like sequence you have to opt for these courses. As you can see यहाँ पे Python के बाद सीधे intro to machine learning नहीं, Python के बाद सीधे machine learning पे नहीं जाना है. So first of all, we have this Python. So when you open this Python thing, you can see that we have like at least seven sections, right? So I think it's pretty easy. It will take 7 hours for you to complete this Python. Now, this is not the whole Python programming, but only the Python programming that you need to learn to understand data science. So everything else will be done using Python libraries. So then you have to learn all of them. Like we have pandas, we have NumPy, we have scikit-learn. So yeah, part by part, you have to learn everything. Like Python libraries, you have to learn. Now, going back, you have to start with Python. The second course that you have to opt for is this Pandas one. So after Python, second one is Pandas. So I will link this sequence in the description box below. Take a look at the description box if you are really into, like if you are really wanted to start over here, okay? Now, after this, after Pandas, you have to start with data cleaning. Now, data cleaning means if you have a large data set, you need to clean your data. Like 70% of the data scientists spend their time in cleaning the data and not doing data science. That is the most important step of data science, that you should have a proper data set. After data cleaning, I think you should move to data visualization. Okay, again, this is a very important step. Here you will learn how to visualize your data sets into line charts, how to visualize them using bar charts, heat maps, scatter plots. This step is really important. You need to understand the importance of data visualization. It helps you to communicate what your data is actually saying. So again, it's a really important step. After data visualization, I think you should go for, now you can go for intro to machine learning and intermediate machine learning. After that, you should take a course for intro to SQL. I think if you're in college, you already know SQL. It's really easy language to understand. It's very easy. So I think you should go to intro to SQL. If you have time, go for advanced SQL. Now you should start with natural language processing. Now this is a field of data science, like different field of data science. Okay, so here you can start with natural language processing. If you want to go into machine learning, then I think you should opt for some other courses that I have already mentioned in one of my videos, that top courses for machine learning, data science, and deep learning. So please check that out as well. So this will be the sequence. Okay, this will be the first sequence. Then you can opt for anything, like we have geospatial analysis, we have feature engineering. Now this is important, you should opt for it. Then intro to game AI and reinforcement learning. So nobody is stopping you from learning more, but for starting, for the beginners, I think this will be the sequence. This will be the sequence that you should follow in your learning. After that, I think you should definitely opt for a course from Coursera or edX. प्लीज बहुत लोग, मैंने एक वीडियो डाला था पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग फ्री कोर्सेज के ऊपर, मोस्टली क्वेश्चंस इस बात पे थे कि हमें सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा कि नहीं. Now certificate is okay, that you want certificate, you want to show it in your CV, it's okay, but don't go slow, like उसी के लिए सिर्फ मत जाओ. वहां देखो कि तुम्हें सीखने को क्या मिल रहा है. आई थिंक इतना फ्री रिसोर्स है आजकल ऑनलाइन कि आप एक्चुअली में कंप्यूटर साइंस बिना डिग्री के सीख सकते हो. इतना सारा फ्री रिसोर्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव Udemy, we have Coursera, we have edX. You just have to Google things up. That's all. And everything you can learn with your laptop. It's quite easy. So let us switch back to the original camera mode. I think that's all that I wanted to share. This video is really small, and I hope this video helped you out. If let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Apart from all of these things, one thing that I wanted to talk to you about is that if you have any problem in your career, if you have any problem in any one of the coding problems you are facing right now, please share all your problems in the comment section below. I can't answer them if I don't know the problem, right? So I just want you to share your problems in the comment section below. Ask me questions, then I can grab all the questions and create a video out of that, so other people will also be benefited from that. So I think it's a good thing to start the conversation. If you have any issue, just write that issue in the comment section box, and I will definitely reach out to you. I will message you personally, or I will just reply back to your comments, or I will just create a video for that if that's a thing that I think I should talk about. So please be helpful to others, and please help yourself. The first thing that you need to understand is that you have to ask a lot of questions while you're learning anything. If you don't ask, you won't get a solution, right? So the first thing that you need to do, take a step forward and ask about your problems. If I'm able to solve it, I will be definitely be grateful to answer them. So thank you so much for watching. One more thing, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye.